Here is how to disable dark mode in Microsoft Word. So when you open Microsoft Word application on your device, you might see that dark mode is enabled. If you prefer a white background, here's how to turn it off. Open any file, then tap on the file option in the top left corner of your screen and select options from the bottom. A menu will appear, and here go to the general section. Look for the personalize your copy of Microsoft Office section, and here select Office theme. From the drop-down menu, you'll get three different options of colorful, dark, gray, and white. And here to disable the dark mode, you can go ahead and select white, or you can also select colorful and then select OK to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.